Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do this beautiful wall art, textured wall art. It's very easy to do. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you take the time out to press the subscribe button, like, share and comment. We're going to go jump right into it with these canvases from Hobby Lobby. They were for $7 and some change, and using this spackle, which I got from Walmart, or you can get it from any hardware store. You're just going to take out a scoop. You can use a butter knife, or you can use one similar to this. They are also sold at Walmart, and you can just place it on. You can put it in whatever direction, so the style you're going for, it all depends on your choice, but I wanted as half a circle, so that's what I am doing here. But in the end, I'm going to change it up because I think I wanted a different style. So here am just putting on thin layers, let that dry, and then I went back on and add some more. And I only wanted on half of the canvas, so that is what I am doing right here. Just take your time, guys, there's no rush, and just swirl or whatever desire. If you want to just press on it, you can get all types of style on it, but it's at the end result is absolutely beautiful. So here I finished one and started on the other one. In the end, I did 3 of them to put in my guest bathroom, and here this is when I change it up, and I wanted like a flower design. After it's dry, it turned white, and this is me just making sure it is perfect. Took it outside and I gave it about 2 light spray coat of Rust-Oleum gold spray paint and metallic gold, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I wanted some drops of gold on the white section to blend in with it. So just take a light spray and stay about 5 inches away from the canvas, and that's how you can stop from the bleeding over and the dripping section. But here am I just taking my time, spraying out on the outside, and make sure you use a ventilated area because the fumes are very strong, or you can wear a mask. So here's when I wanted to have the drops, so I'm just taking a little bit and letting it drip all over on the plain section. And this is the end results, guys. I absolutely love how the ombre came in and the gold drops on the white section. After which I took them in and I decorated them in my guest bathroom, and here I just putting them up, and I absolutely love the end results of them. So I turn them different ways. You can turn them in one direction, you can turn them however you desire, but this is how I choose to do it. And here is the overview. If you have not yet like, share or comment, go ahead and do so, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.